And another question,
Yeah.
will you take care of AMS?
AMC, annual maintenance contract.
Yeah.
Yes.
How you will charge that total amount?
See, first year, there is nothing. In fact, this STP does not require any kind of operator to be present and using it. The operator is not required. So what is required from your side is, that means the user side is, every week, your person, it could be a plumber, it could be a watchman, anybody has to remove the physical impurities. Let me explain what are the physical impurities getting into a sewage treatment plant. In wastewater, along with our water, we also push a lot of human hair, right? Which goes when we wash our hair. Then condoms, sanitary napkins, baby diapers. These are the routine things, along with these plastic covers like, shampoo sachets. All these things will get into the drain line, and they go into the STP and they start choking the STP. So to prevent this from happening, what we do is we put a screen, a stainless steel screen, before the water goes into the STP. Okay, this is external, outside. And this has to be cleaned in a larger plant almost every day. In a smaller STP where there are 10, 15 houses, at least once in a week, maybe every Sunday, a person has to go physically remove. We'll give something like a spatula with a handle. Using that, he has to just remove the whatever is accumulated there. It could be green leaves, or it could be dry leaves, which would have washed into the drain lines, or could be a baby diaper or a napkin. All these things have to be removed. This is called a routine maintenance, right? I don't suggest that we should hire a person to take care of this small work. We can train our plumber, our security agency, our housekeeping people to do this. But the key is, if it should be a standard operating procedure. One housekeeping person should be given this task of doing it at a particular time, every Sunday, every Monday, whatever date we fix, should be done. Then comes the next thing. The next thing is, chlorine tablets have to be added to the sewage treatment plant. This has to be done once in a fortnight. If it is a very small domestic system, once in a month is also okay. Otherwise, 10 villa, where you have 10 villas, once in a fortnight is good enough. This also can be done by a plumber or a security person. He just have to open the lid, put the chlorine tablets into that, and that's it. Okay. Then the third thing, once in a year, the sludge removal that has to be done. This is a technical subject, and our people, our service engineers will be present when this work is done. We come for inspection once in 3 months. If there is far too much of sludge, we will advise the management that the sludge has to be removed from this STP. If with your permission, our person can also organize. We just Google, find a local septic tank cleaner guy. We call them. They come, take it through a vacuum sucking pump. That's it. And comes the failure. In the first year, whenever there is a problem, you register a complaint with us. Within 24 hours, our technicians will visit the site and rectify the problem. And please understand, there is only one moving part, an air blower. So the possibility of failures are much, much less. Let me show you the photos of these things, how it looks. So meanwhile, any other question by the time I take out this information?
From my side, these two questions only. One is AMC and another one is modularity.
Okay, these are modular, sir. I'm just going to show you the photographs also.